Hi guys, this is my sister. Stacy, go put the light quickly on, please. Please like and subscribe because I need it. What must they do if they're done watching the video?
Like and subscribe and put the big like.
And put the bell on. And hit the notification bell if you want more
Then you're gonna,
videos.
if you wanna do the magic, just press like,
and
then share, and then
share it with your nearest friend.
and then you have your magic.
Let's do the greet. 3, 2, 1.
Boom, boom.
Hey. Yeah. I'm gonna do it now on my own stage. Come 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom. Hey. Yeah.
Fulton.
I just wanna say thank you for liking and subscribe at the same time. Try it.
It's all, baby.
See if it's gonna work for you. See.